Hello, my name is Gail, and I'm with Atlantic Ghost Hunters. I'm the sole owner, and I do a lot of private investigations around different businesses, cemeteries, any place that I can get into. That's where I like to go. Tonight's going to be a little different. I have an article that my grandfather held on to. He said he got it from a garage sale, and it's what he called a cowbell, and it's antique. It's very old, and I'm not sure how long he's had it, but I wanted something that would I would get of his that would remember him by. So I'm not sure if this is haunted, whether it has any spirits that are attached to it, but I thought I'd give it a try tonight, and I wanted to do things a little different. I do have this spirit talker. I will be using this tonight, and also I'll be using the PSB7 spirit box. I'm not sure how well this spirit box will work out here, where it's out in the middle of the country, and I don't get that many radio signals, but we'll give it a try. I also wanted to let you people know that my video camera, I'm not sure why it does this, but it starts a new video off every 15 minutes. So I do believe that this video will be longer than 15 minutes. And if so, there will be part 2. There could be possible part 3 or 4 or even 5. We'll see how it goes. And I'll also be using the Mel meter. It's an EMF reader and a temperature gauge. It has a temperature on it. I'll be using that, along with the the EMF pump. It just puts some more electricity back in the air so that the spirits can feed off of. And as I'm talking, my static meter that's been going off, it's been flashing off and on quite a bit here this past 10 minutes that I've setting everything up. So we'll give it a try and see what happens. And I also have the Ouija board set up. I won't be using it tonight. I'd rather have 2 people using it, but trying to get somebody that will use it with me will be a challenge. A lot of people they shun the idea of an Ouija board. Me, I'd like to try to prove to see if they actually work or not. So I do have this set up, and I'll be setting the school bell, what my grandfather called it. I'll be setting this on top of the Ouija board, just so that we can get some more energy into the air. We'll see what happens anyway. So we'll get you. I'm going to turn you around, and we're going to use a PSB7 first. Like I said, I'm not sure how well it works, and I don't have a program right now that I can go onto the computer and to hear any of the words that come back in through the spirit box. So if you catch something that I might not catch, just timestamp it in the bottom of on the comments of this video, and I'll go back and I'll listen to it. I'm hoping I'll get a new program I bought a new laptop, so I do need a new program so that I can listen to all my recordings. So anyway, we'll get to it, and I'll turn you around. Just bear with me a second. We'll set it down a little lower so that you can see everything. There's the Ouija board right here. My static meter. You can tell when I touch it, it does go off a little bit. And it's going off. The spirit talker is already turned on, but I do not have it set to speak. Also going to turn on my Mel meter. It measures EMFs. And that there goes off every now and again. See, it's already starting to show. I'll set this a little further out maybe. It's showing a little bit of a dip in the readings now. Okay, I'm going to turn on the PSB7. And like I said, if the video shuts off at 15 minutes, it will restart. And then there will be a part 2 and part 3, possibly a part 4. It all depends on the amount of connection we get with the spirit world. Are there any spirits who would like to communicate with me tonight? Any spirits at all? You can put all your energy into this little black box that's sitting on the table, and you can use this to push words out. Are there any spirits at all that would like to communicate? Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? Is there anyone that would like to speak tonight? It's quiet here tonight. I usually get a few people or a few spirits that come through. It's very, very faint what is coming through. It's showing a 1.3 on the EMF reader, and the temperature is about 72.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Is there anyone that would like to speak tonight? Any spirits at all? I know it must be hard to try to speak through this little black box, but if you'd really put some energy into it, I know I just love to talk to you tonight. This little bell that I'm holding. Is there any spirits that are attached to it? Any spirits at all? Is it hard for you to speak through the spirit box? Can you speak up a little bit? Try to use as much energy as you can. Try to put as much energy into this little black box. There's also a white box with a blue light on it. Right over here. That the spirits can use, that they can feed off of. Any spirits at all? Or would you prefer using a different method? The EMF reader showing a 1.3. You're being bashful tonight. Any spirits at all that would like to talk to me tonight? Put as much energy into it as you can. Any spirits at all? My grandfather, my Grampy Brown, are you with me tonight? My Grampy Brown. Can you come up close to the bell and touch it for me? Can you tell me your name? Any spirits at all? My name is Gail. I'd really like to talk to you tonight. I'm going to use the spirit talker now. Maybe this will be an easier way for you to communicate with me tonight. We'll give that a try. Not much success using the PSB7. Now we'll try the spirit talker. Just turn it on. Is there any spirits that would like to talk to me tonight through the spirit talker? Is my grandfather Brown here with me tonight? Anyone that would like to speak tonight? I'd really appreciate it if you could speak with me. I'd like to talk to the spirits that are in this little school bell that's on the table. Calm. It is very calm tonight. It's a lot quieter than what it normally is. Showing a 1.3 on the EMF reader, the Mel meter, or a lot of people call it the K2 meter. I brought out my instruments so that I can speak with you tonight. I know it seems to be very calm, like you said. I would like to talk to you if you're able to. Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? It is very calm tonight, like you said. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Are there any other spirits?
Almost.
Almost. It's almost calm? What do you mean by that? I tried speaking with you through my spirit box, the PSB7, but my signal wasn't very good. So this is why I'm using the spirit talker now, the app. I'm hoping to speak with you tonight.
I remember you.
You remember me? I'm glad that you remember me. The beeping you hear is my Mel meter shutting off. I'm just going to turn it back on. I'm not sure why it does that. I'm just turning it back on. It keeps showing it. It goes from 1.1 to 1.2. It fluctuates. Showing 1.3.